Hi, my name is Susan, and I had a LUX Landscape Lighting system installed in my home this past fall, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about it. I live on a very wooded, heavily wooded lot. It's kind of dark, and when I called, I was actually interested in having some previously installed landscape lights repaired, and I wanted to add some lighting to the sides of my house where it was very dark. And when Eric came out and saw what was installed, he did offer to go ahead and do the repairs, but then offered to show me what the professional landscape lights look like. And then when I saw those, I just thought, oh my gosh, I wish I had done this years ago. So he put together a plan for me to replace what I had previously had installed and add the things that I wanted, and even went back out into the woods behind my house and did some landscape lighting, which just looks incredibly dramatic. And then once I saw the photos, the representation of what he wanted to do and what it would look like, it was just like, I've got to do this. It's a no-brainer. Absolutely love it. The back of my house is a big sliding door and some windows, so even in the evening, especially when it gets dark lighter like it does in the wintertime, you're able to look outside and see it in the evening. And I can't wait for the spring to when it just warms up and you can sit outside and actually enjoy it a little more. When it was installed this fall and the weather was still nice, you could just sit out there and it just is beautiful. It's like your own little paradise back there. What I had before was nice. I always looked at it and I thought that looks nice. I'd never had landscape lighting before. I spent years working on the landscaping around the house, and but it's a night and day difference. With the LUX landscape lighting. It's just not even comparable. In addition to just the security, it just makes the house look so much better. The way he pinpointed some areas, I have a very small ranch home, and the way he pinpointed areas to light and make things look a little more dramatic was just, was wonderful. And increasing the value of your home and just making your home look like something beautiful. If you've got any amount of money put into landscaping, and a lot of people do, even if your house is what you think is maybe on the plain side, which is kind of what I thought about mine. If you think, I don't want to do professional landscaping, I'll just throw in a few lights here or there, it's amazing the difference it can make to just have someone even come out, give you an idea of some things that you can do. And the installation is done professionally and so beautifully, so that if you need to have a shrub replaced later, they're not digging up your landscape lighting, which has happened to me. And so it pays to go with somebody who's professional and knows the right things to do.